Hello everyone. So welcome back to this channel and in this video session I'm covering the OpenQuery file tutorial. You can see there are multiple videos created on this topic. Last video was on the specifying the dynamic key sequence access path using the OpenQuery file, and this time I'll be discussing that unique key processing in the OpenQuery file. So basically, we can specify the unique keys dynamically using the OpenQuery file command, and that unique key processing means that we should have a set of key or a key that has some records or a group of records specifying the keys values. So basically, if you want to process only the first record of a group of values or a group of records uh, specifying in the key, then we should use we should go for the unique key processing. So let's say we have record 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5. So I want to process and I want to keep this as key column. So I want to process only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the fifth record, there are three record of number 5. And I want to process only the first record of the fifth based upon the key value, unique key value. So then I can go for unique key processing. So let's say here, here we have file this. So this file has employee ID, let's say employee name and manager ID. And I want to process only those employee IDs which have the unique key processing. So I'll be keeping this as a unique key, let's say. I can keep this as a unique key as well. So in that case, only let's say if I want to process this, so only these two records will be processed. But if I keep this as the unique key, then only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7 and 8 records are processed. So basically these two records will be ignored and they won't process because they have the same key value. So you can see I'm declaring the file, overriding the file with share star yes uh, so that the ODP can be shared with this RPG program that is being called from here. And then this OpenQuery file will create the ODP, selecting the file PF1. The important thing here is the open option is set to be star input here. And I'm specifying the dynamic key field as employee ID, that is ascending order, and unique key as star all. So if there is no unique key, then I can specify star none. But if there is a unique key, I can specify either star all or a number from 1 to 120. So if I have, let's say, multiple unique key fields specified here, and let's say here as well, so I can specify, I have to specify the number including the first unique key. So let's say I have three keys specified in the key field, so I can number it either 1, 2, or 3 so that first key field will be used, or the first two will be used, or the first three all the will be used. So in this way I can specify a number here, and then this will call the RPG program, then delete the ODP that is created with the OpenQuery file, and delete the override. So now let's call this. I'm not going to debug this. So the first employee ID being displayed, the second being displayed, the third being displayed, the fourth being displayed, the fifth being displayed, and this will display only once. So after that, you can see the seventh employee ID being displayed and the eighth one. So the fifth record ID is processed only once, as this was the data. So if I, let's say, change it to the manager ID, then only two records would get processed. Manager ID. and the first record and the second record, second with manage ID 9, and that's all. Because you can see all these manager IDs are same, so the second record, first and the second records are processed here. So this way you can use the unique key processing uh, approach to only process the unique records based upon the key value. That's all in this video. Thank you.